everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY lash extension video. I'm actually trying out a new brand off Amazon and I'm really excited to show you guys what these lashes look like, and I will be reviewing all of them on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to see all those videos. Let me go ahead and show you everything that I got. So this is the first kit. Look at all those lashes. Very beautiful kit, and it has a little bit of everything. It has from 10 millimeters to 16 and on both sides, so you can really create a really nice lash look. I love this set. So that's the first one, and it is by this brand right here, which is like VOOZT. I think that's how you would say that. This is 384 pieces, 2 different styles. So that's the first set. They also have this set right here, which is the V02. It's a D-Mix, and I believe these are D-Mix too. It doesn't say, but it looks like it's a D-Mix. Then you have these ones right here. I'm gonna open it up so it doesn't glare. You can see how pretty those are. And this is V04, and it is a D-Mix. These are like my favorite looking because they look more wispy. These ones are gonna look more like just natural. I like the wispy sets myself. This one looks really pretty. It's wispy, but it's like very dark, so it's gonna look very voluminous, and it is a V03 D-Mix. See how like thick those are? So they have so many different styles. They have these ones which are pre-laid out. These are going to be really, really dramatic, which sometimes I really do like a dramatic look. You also have V01, and it's a C curl. You can see. So the D curl's a little more curled than the C curl. So this one is very pretty. They're really long, and it has 8 to 16 millimeters. We have this one right here. This is a really pretty set. So you can see, look at those lashes. That's what this set looks like. Then we have this, which is a whole lash kit. So if you're just getting started out, I do recommend buying this one. I'll probably end up reviewing this one today, just because if you're new to this, it has everything. It has the bond and the seal. You have the tweezers. You have the lash remover for when you want to take them off. And then you have the lashes themselves. And this is the V01 D-Mix. So that's what they look like. They also did send me this, which is tweezers. Go ahead and pull it out. So you have these ones right here. These are good for also clamping. And then these ones, which is that other set that they have right there. And then they sent me another bond and seal. But like I said, I will be reviewing all this on my channel. So today we're gonna start out with this set, and then as I go on, I will try out some of the other ones, but let's go ahead and get right into this. We're gonna start applying these. Now I do like to start out with 16s, and then I'm going to go to 14s, and then probably 12s, the lowest I'll go. So I'll probably do 2, 2, and 2. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward through this part of me putting it on because it does take a while. Let me go ahead and explain what I'm gonna do first. It is a micro mascara one, which is the best. And then I'm just going to kind of focus this at the base of my lashes. So just like that. And then I'm going to grab the lashes off. I like to go up underneath. You can grab it by this part and then pull up, or you can go from underneath. So just like that. Grab it which way is going to be easiest to apply it. I like applying it like this, and then I'm going to glue them from underneath. So you're going at the bottom of your lashes down there and just setting like that. So let me go ahead and speed this up. Okay, so that is what they look like applied. Let me go ahead and press them down now to make sure that they are on my lashes really well. Just like that, to make sure that they stay on. Just pushing them against my lashes. And that is what they look like. As you can see, they are very fluffy. I need to put the seal on. So this is before, this is after. You see what a dramatic difference that makes. Super pretty, very wispy. Let me go ahead and do this eye off camera. I'm going to show you what it looks like once I'm done. Okay, so that is what they look like completed. They are so pretty. I mean, you've seen them before. This is the after. This is why I love lashes. Let me go ahead and show you like a side view. So that's like a side view of what they look like. That's from the top. And then that's looking down. So super, super pretty. I give these a 5 out of 5. I'll see how they hold up, how the glue lasts, if they fall off, or if sometimes if you get some lashes wet, they kind of like deteriorate. So I'll keep you guys updated on that part of it. But so far, I love the way they look. Super, super pretty. So let me go ahead and give you the update now. Okay, so I've had them on for a couple of days now. That's what they look like. Super comfortable. I've already got them wet and they did not deteriorate or anything. So I think they're going to really hold up. The glue seems to be really good too. I mean, I've already showered and everything with them on and I'm loving it. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.